welcome to Ready Set Demo. This is the second of 3 videos that I am doing for Valentines without Valentines goodies. So we're going to have a look at what we've got and we're going to have a little play, and so I'm going to show you some different ideas. For each of the 3 videos I'm showing you 2 colorways, and in this particular one I'm going to use completely different stamps as well, a different sort of style. But let's get started. So the colours that I'm using here are Secret Sea. So I'm going to have some Secret Sea for our base and our layer. And we're also going to use, now you could use Cloud Cover or you could use Smoky Slate, whichever you prefer is going to be our other colour. So I'm going to start off with the wow part of this and do some cutting. Now these detailed elements are just beautiful and they cut beautifully too. They're called the delicate framing dies, and it's delicate dies that can sometimes cause us problems, but not with Stampin' Up ones. And we are going to cut this onto adhesive sheet. Now, I love using adhesive sheet when I'm using delicate or detailed dies, because you do not have to worry about gluing them. How we're going to stick this on without getting glue everywhere. We're just going to put the adhesive sheet onto the back of our cardstock, just peeling off the non-sticky bits, turn it over, and then I'm going to go ahead and run this through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss. Right, let's bring this back in, and along with one of my favourite attachments that we have for our Picky Uppy tool, our Take Your Pick tool, which is the little brush. I absolutely love this because you can brush the majority of those detailed pieces out, and then you can flip it and just take out any pieces that are still remaining in there. This one has been beautifully behaved. I will say this one had a few more that we had to poke because it's got even more detail on there. And don't throw this away. You might have done it in a long strip when you won't have so much waste, but with this you could use it as a little frame because it's quite fancy on itself, and put something in the middle. But also you can do what I'm going to, which is just cut those pieces, and then I can use this to die cut again. I just keep this in with all of my adhesive sheet pieces, and next time I want to die cut something onto the Secret Sea, there will be a piece waiting for me. So that's that. Now, before I stick these on, and especially if you're going to teach this in class, I would do the stamping first and then stick the pieces on, because if you stick them on and then you need to stamp on the other side, you need to fix it, then you can't easily do that. So stamp first, then stick your pieces on. But you can sort of see where they're going to go. And as you're getting the idea, I'm going to go vertical with this one. These to me look like Art Nouveau. These particular swirls look like an Art Nouveau. Think Paris Metro, that kind of look. Love Art Nouveau. And we're going to stamp with Secret Sea to start off with. So I'm going to pop this down quite low. And then in Cloud Cover, or if you don't have Cloud Cover, you can also use Smoky Slate, will work fine as well. I'm just going to pop this one down at the bottom. This starts to give us some heart shapes. Now I'm going to bring my heart piece in. Did I say where this was from? Did I say that this is from Sweet Jar, which is in the big book? And I'm inking up with the wrong colour. I'm going to ink up again. Now you can kind of line these exactly up, but I actually like to go a little bit offset. Just gives a nice look. And then I'm going to take some little hearts and put them right there, and then we'll get some lighter ones. I did a little bit of a glitch there, but I actually think it looks fine. If that would bother you, let me know in the comments, but I think it looks okay. But I am going to do, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink the pear up. There we go. I'm going to use a greeting from this set. This says, sending a little something your way, and this is going to be the something. And I'm just going to put it over on this side. Sending a little. I pulled out luck. And we're going to send love. There we go. So that's our piece. So what we're going to do now is to take the backing off from this adhesive. That is the magic, because now these can easily be stuck on. I'm going to lift that just a little. The other thing about adhesive sheet, as you can see, is when you first put it down, it's actually very forgiving. So until you've pressed down hard, you can wiggle it around a little bit until you're happy with the positioning, rather like you can with Tombow. But with none of the glue all over the place that you would get. Right, let's do the bottom one. And you can just take it all off in one go. Now I can see on this piece that I have gone a little bit too far that way. But rather than worry about that, I'm just going to trim the edge just a tad. There we go. And this is going to go onto a piece of a base card of Secret Sea. And then I'm going to have some little hearts. And just write in. To my Valentine, and that can go onto the inside of the card. So there you go. I'm just dropping in afterwards because when I was editing, I suddenly realised I hadn't told you what the other things were that I had used on the original version of this. So the detailed, exactly the same dies as the other one. The Love and You, comes from Layered Thoughts. And the little heart comes from With You in Mind. I stamped it in the cherry cobbler straight on, and then I stamped off on a separate piece and just fussy cut that heart out to give a little bit of extra texture. But yes, so I'm going back to to past me, and we'll carry on. That's using Sweet Jar to make ourselves some Valentine's cards. So I hope you like this one. Thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo today, and remember to subscribe because we've got 2 more of these cards. One of them I've already done, so go check that one out, and one of them still to come, so make sure you're subscribed and pop over to Ready Set Demo. You can see the link down below to see lots more inspiration coming your way, as well as classes too. I'll see you soon. Bye. La, 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 la.